Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add promo code on Walmart. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Walmart application. Initially, you'll be led to the shop interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, in order to add the promo code, what you have to do is simply go to the checkout interface. For that, first of all, make sure you've added the items to cart. Once you do that, tap on the cart icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the cart interface. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added over here. What you have to do is tap on this option, continue to check out, that you can see on your screen at the bottom. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the checkout interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for have a promo code. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the field for entering the promo code over here. Tap on the field of promo code. Now simply enter the promo code that you have over here. After you do that, tap on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now if the promo code is correct, the promo code will be applied and you'll be able to get the promised discount. Now you can simply proceed to checkout. Like this, you'll be able to add the promo code. So that is how you add promo code on Walmart. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.